Welcome to this tutorial. Below is a simple step-by-step guide to easily save 8K videos for offline access. First, launch StreamFab software. You'll see a selection of popular video platform icons, all of which are supported sources for obtaining content. After opening the video, look for the downward arrow icon in the lower right corner and click on it. You'll then enter the Saving Settings interface. Make sure the first option is set to video. Click on the second option labeled Video Codec. You'll see three format choices. Select either VP9 or AV1. This will enable the 8K quality option on the right. Finally, simply click Start Processing at the bottom right, and the video will begin saving to your local storage. Give it a try yourself.